us hear from our judges, starting with Craig.
I don't really know what to say. I mean, it was a good performance still, for sure. For once, I think you were actually moving a little bit too much. I think you could have eased down a little bit and get more into the song still. It was all right.
Romain.
Yeah, well, certainly he was enjoying himself, and I think that's the important thing when you go on stage. They try and enjoy yourself, no matter the kind of, because I don't know the song, but he was enjoying himself and I was enjoying it.
Conroy.
I liked it. He was doing his thing, and he had more life and energy and the vibe of the piece. Than it wasn't the best and up there, but it was a very good performance, I think, from Faison.
Anthony.
I can't help not liking it. I think the energy and the vibe and the kind of power that you needed in that song and that little weird bunny hop thing you were doing, it just kind of looked weird, and it looked like some sort of super safe version of what's a really cool song by the Four Tops.
Thanks, judges.